Alright, guess you can hear that wind blowing. Let's keep going. Down here along the water's edge, pretty much high tide. I don't know what we're going to do down here, but we might get lucky. I give it a little bit while longer, then I'm going to go up and try sand. I have another number, 2420. It's a penny. First coin of the day. Alright, I just checked the hole, and there's a quarter in here, 28.29. Two quarters. Woo! Double whammy. No, it's a dime and a quarter. Look at that. Let me check. And another quarter. That's a triple. 2 quarters and a dime, 1 penny. That's the first time I ever got 3 coins with 1 scoop. All right, let's check the hole again. There's more down there. It's out 29, that's a quarter. There it is. I got it. Another quarter. Alright, that's 3 or 4 quarters and 1 dime, 1 penny out of that hole. 1 dime right there. Alright, we got a quarter right here. I think I can get it with the pinpointer. There it is. Right near the surface. Alright, nice and clean. Put it in the bag. Some type of a snap. I can't see if it's a piece of jewelry or not. Oh no, it's brittle. Anyway, my eyes are not that good. Let's put it in the bag. We'll have Scott look at it later. Right. Scott over here, hot on the trail, picking up some coins and trash. So far, it's pretty slim, but we'll keep going. There it is. Dime. And we got a 1920. There it is. What is it? I can't make it out, but that's what was making that faint tone. Let's put it away. Yeah, all right, we're back here trying to do this wrap up. This wind is blowing like 20 knots out of the southwest. Some of the stuff we had here on the show has already blown off. Scott, how'd you do?
Looks like, what I think, $3.12, about 33 coins.
Fantastic.
Got some beautiful glasses here, a little dragon, bottle cap, and a beach badge. Missing the badge.
All right, I got a few quarters here. I did make 1 pull. When I pulled it up, I had 2 quarters and 1 dime. I found a nice little coin spill. A couple of dimes and some pennies, and a couple of bottle caps. And what is that there?
Shotgun.
What do you think that is, Scott?
Where at? Oh, this? Yeah. I think it's a dagger in a sheath, so I think it's a key, basically.
A key.
This must have been on a chain, because that's broken off there.
All right. And that wind is. Rain is coming. Here it comes. All right, we're going to get off the beach and head on down the road. I want to thank everybody for coming along. And if you could please stop and remember to give it a like
described the whitewater jack.
Thank you, Scott.